Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in the morning we are going to talk about Bitcoin's uptrend, what we need to continue this bullish run. We are going to talk about when the altcoins going to pump, when what we need them to pump, because this big pump, this big alt season hasn't really come yet. Also, we are going to talk about the meme coins. I will just tell you my position on them and then you can react in the comments or on Discord or on Twitter. And I want to make a small mentioning about the gold versus Bitcoin debates and what I think, what I see on the gold bucks when they are facing Michael Saylor. For everyone, welcome back to the channel, of course, and for all newcomers, welcome. I hope you will like the content. If you trade with crypto, please use a VPN, use a browser which blocks your trackers and ads. If you want to send me a message, use the comment section, write me on Twitter, or join the Discord server. We are more and more people there and we have some discussions, trading problems, errors, everything. All the links are in the description, so it should be easy to find it. So let's start. Bitcoin uptrend. Now I'm gonna go through the trading view, and this is Elrond. Let's go to Bitcoin. So right now, as you can see here, we are in this nice uptrend, but it's still not all-time high. And what I need from Bitcoin is not just to go sideways. This is very nice. It's doing higher highs, higher lows, and that is a perfect sideways for altcoins to pump. But I do need at some point a new all-time high, a 65,000, 66, 68,000. Even if it doesn't go through the roof to 70, 80,000, I will be happy if it does an all-time high and goes somewhere, let me show, somewhere here, just to confirm that we are in a strong bull market. Now, when the altcoin is going to pump, usually altcoins start to pump when Ethereum stops to pump, and Ethereum doesn't want to stop. It's at 4,300. I mean, I would say that it didn't even feel last flash crash which happened yesterday. It's just very, very interesting. It's of course good. I'm happy about it because I also have some Ethereum holdings, but I would really like to see some altcoins to go through the roof because it is a long due movement. Now, Elrond, as you can see with the flash crash, this yellow support line still had. Elrond didn't go below 160, which is obviously a good sign, because last time we went from a higher price from around 200 to the 120, which was not very good. People got liquidated, so be careful with leverage trading. Right now, what I think will happen if we don't see a bigger flash crash, let's say, I mean the 5-10% is not really something we suffer much of for a longer time. We will do higher lows, and eventually we will just break through this 200 resistance line, after which we have only this 250, but I wouldn't even call that very big resistance because it was just a new all-time high. Wasn't even that big. It wasn't too much above the 200 there. So I would think that we should easily go through that. So let's just beat this 200 let's just beat this $200 resistance line, and then we can go to the previously predicted all-time high, which is still the 300-400 area. Now let's talk a bit about meme coins. What is my position? To be honest, I don't really like them. And it's not because I don't like to make money. Of course, I like money, but like everyone else, I will not. I'm not gonna be a hypocrite about that. But meme coins are destroying the reputation of cryptocurrency. And while I'm a big admirer of Elon Musk, because being an engineer, it's just I can only admire what he did, what he achieved, and what he's going to achieve, and how hard he's pushing it. But trolling is, yeah, it was funny, but it's enough. Okay. Now these gold bucks, the biggest critics of the cryptocurrencies, are using Elon Musk's tweets and this Dogecoin stuff to critique cryptocurrency, and there are so many great projects, new technology, good technology, good innovations which are in the shadow, because these meme coins which are going 100 and 200x are just taking the spotlight, and this is not what we want. Okay, I know that everybody wants to make money, but for example in Dogecoin, I think 50% is at two people. 50% of the Dogecoin is at two people. Do you know what will happen when they just decide to cash out? I mean, that's why I'm saying that Dogecoin will go down 99%. Okay, so be very careful. And it's the same with Shiba and Akita and all of them. I personally will not buy meme coin. I want to I don't only want to make money. I do think that cryptocurrency is a solution for some problems, for world's problems, for it's a solution for people to be more independent financially and not to depend on governments, and we need that. Okay, I want that to succeed. I want that to become real and be part of our everyday life. Next one. Regarding the Bitcoin and gold debate, so I was watching this debate for 1.5 hours, and what is left for me in my mind after this 1.5 hours is not that they say it's stupid. It's not that they say it's unreal. No. What just sticked in my mind is that they said that, the Goldbug said that Frank Justra, that he doesn't and he wouldn't buy Bitcoin in a big amount, okay, like percentage of his portfolio, because the US will consider it a threat to the US dollar, and they will just slash it. They will push it down, they will destroy it. So it's interesting, because as long as Bitcoin will stay, as long as the government will somehow accept that this is something, and he already accepted that this is something which will stay for a longer time, in what form, that's another discussion for next 10, 20 years. But if, let's say, cryptocurrency can infiltrate the White House and the Fed, and they consider it not a threat, and not a threat doesn't mean that it is a threat. No, not a threat means that they won't want to push it down, because if they want to push something down, they just write their national security and no questions asked, no explanations needed. Therefore, if they consider that, okay, Bitcoin is something we can also use, the state also benefits of it, and why it wouldn't, then Bitcoin becomes a much more optimal asset holder, value holder asset than gold. And that's all. Also, of course, we need to reduce the energy consumption, not because it's so high. Yes, it's high, but it's the hype, okay? It's the hype, because you can see in the news that they are just talking about how much Bitcoin miners are consuming, okay? Nobody even cares how much gold mining destroys the planet, okay? Because we are not talking about CO2 in gold mining, we are talking about serious chemicals. But let's just not get into that, because I'm not an expert on that, and it's a very long topic. So when altcoin going to pump? Well, Ethereum needs to stop pumping. that's the first. Ethereum needs to go sideways, because right now it seems that we are in phase 2. Phase 1 is Bitcoin pumping, phase 2 Ethereum pumping, phase 3 big market cap altcoins are pumping, phase 4 small market cap altcoins are pumping, and then everything goes down and the bear market kicks in. Right now it seems that Ethereum just won't stop, and my guess when it will stop, I will just, let me show you again. If we go to Ethereum, Ethereum to Bitcoin, this one here, I think the first stop will be at the first resistance. Let me just switch this to 1 week, because it's weird. Yeah, now. So the first resistance will be at around 20%, okay? And I think that will be the first time when Ethereum will stop pumping. Now that will be at around 5,000 in US dollars. If it doesn't stop there, the next one is at 45%, which is around 5,000, of course. And that doesn't stop it. And it's just, I can't say that it will stop, because Ethereum is showing a very big strength, and I do think that institutions right now are not buying into Bitcoin, they are buying Ethereum. Then maybe it will go to the all-time high, which is the 110. The previously predicted $8,800. So that is what we are looking out for. Ethereum needs to stop, Bitcoin doesn't crash, and then altcoins will pump crazy. I'm talking about 100, 200 and 1000 percentages. Hope you like the content. If you did like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I see you tomorrow.